Alright, testing out this new tripod. Right now I'm gonna start with the rake, kind of make sure there's no sticks, big sticks or anything pointy that'll pop a hole in the tent. Videoing right now. Can you not freaking say punani?
Oh, it's videoing?
Yes.
My punani is so good.
Oh my god.
You're just
Main thing is you want to make sure you're clearing it out so you don't want nothing poking a hole in your tent.
Yeah, you don't want nothing poking a hole in your tent.
Because then water will get in obviously, but I do have a protective layer, a protective tarp, but it only does so much.
Yeah, no, nothing turkey that could pop it, like this popping booty, so yeah.
Alright, next step you want to do is you want to get the tarp, the protective layer, and get that net. Don't be that douche that hammers it in the campsites either. Just another tip. Alright, so we got our tarp. Hold that. Oh no, help me get the tarp out. Alright, now I'm going to hammer down some tent stakes at the corner so it don't fly up. Yeah. Alright, all you need is a hammer, and I got these tent stakes from Walmart. Okay, they're like $1.70 a piece, but they're really nice. They got little hooks on them for the ropes and everything else. Alright, next step is the tent. We should be good to go. I'm going to pause it real quick. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do a time lapse.
Scoot back a little bit. There you go.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and do a time lapse of putting up the core 9-person instant pop-up tent. So here we go. Liz, you going to help me?
Yeah.
I have a helper today. Her name is Liz. Okay, this is the top. First, you just want to kind of get it spread out. You know, don't get crazy with it. Then the next thing you want to do is just start pulling those kind.
You might want to scoot it back a little.
Scoot it a little bit more this way. We gotta find the long, whichever one's the long way. Oh yeah, bring this end over there.
Which one?
Here, this hole, this one right here. Don't drag it too much. You know, pick it up like a thing. Where's the hole to get in? Oh, it's over here. We're good. Okay, next step is...
You might want to scoot back a little bit more my way and a little bit that way.
Okay, I'll pick up on my end. You pick up over there. Don't drag it by one. Pick it up by two. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, next step. This is how you do this. You grab it over here, come here. You grab right here. And you go so it pops. So you're gonna do all the sides. I'll let you do that, and then we can do this one together. We'll do this one together. Need help? Oh, we got it. Help me center a little better on the thing.
Yeah.
We're gonna move it forward.
Huh?
We're gonna move it forward, and maybe we gotta move it this way a little bit. Yeah, we gotta do that. Go that way. Kind of, sort of.
On this side?
We can come back a little bit. I need room to go there. I'll go ahead and start nailing them down. That way we can So tell the camera, tell everybody how easy was that.
Definitely. It's a lot easier than, 10 sticks and all that.
Tell the camera how it was.
On this side, guys, I'm gonna put my mirror. So
all right, now I'm gonna go ahead and start staking everything down. Right here. All right, next thing you're gonna want to do is your rain fly. I've done this by myself, but it's a lot easier when you got two people to do it. I'm gonna give you one side and then I'll take the other side. We're gonna find the long way first. And then we'll go over. Alright, I'm gonna let Liz video me put it, and I'm gonna show you how to do the rain fly tie downs. You can come down here. With these tent stakes, you just want to tie it around. Just make a generic knot. That's why I like these tent stakes. Just make any kind of knot to where it don't come undone. And then you want to stretch it out. You want it to be tight. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty tight. We'll just go ahead and do that on all of them then. Alright, and that's it. That's how you get it set up. That's a core 9-person pop-up tent. In my opinion, it's badass, but we're gonna see how it sleeps tonight, and then we'll give you a little review after we use it a couple times. We'll make a separate